Hey, I am Browney.
Dude, my coworker just made 8,000 bananas in 1 week on Tesla Banana. I'm putting everything in. My savings, my emergency bunch, maybe my rent bananas. This is it. This is the moment.
Your rent bananas?
I mean, maybe not rent bananas, but everything else.
Hey, I am Mr. Primate, and today I explains Brownie wants to buy Tesla banana stock. Why that's stupid.
Brownie, your coworker got lucky. You're about to get educated. Before I explain anything, raise your hand if you've ever bought a banana stock because someone on the internet told you to. Now raise your hand if that banana stock made you rich. By the end of this video, you're going to understand something that Banana Street genuinely does not want you to know, because it's embarrassingly simple, and it makes them look like bad monkeys. Wait, so I've been peeling it wrong this whole time? Everyone has. Sit down. Okay, then what's this? Okay. Look at this chart. Tesla Banana went from 150 bananas to 280 bananas in 3 months. That's almost double. How is this not a good idea? Name me 5 Tesla Banana competitors. Yes, I know. Okay.
If you know, then drop in a comment, and if you're right, then I mentioned your ID in my next video. So, tell me.
BYD Banana? Rivian Banana? Lucid Banana? Ford Banana? GM Banana. Good. Now tell me, which one wins in 10 years?
I mean, Tesla Banana, obviously.
Nokia Banana was obvious too. In 2005, everyone said Nokia Banana. Then a little company called Apple Banana made a touchscreen phone, and Nokia Banana lost 90% of its value in 7 years. 90%, Brownie!
Okay, but Tesla Banana is different.
That's what Nokia Banana people said. That's what Blockbuster Banana people said. Picking one banana stock isn't investing, it's gambling with extra peels. Forget banana stocks for a second. Imagine I offer you a deal. You can either bet everything on one banana tree, or you can own a tiny piece of an entire banana plantation, 500 trees.
Plantation, obviously. If one banana tree dies, I still have 499.
Congratulations. Do you know about banana index funds? You just understood a banana index fund.
That's it?
That's it. A Banana 500 index fund is just you owning a tiny piece of the 500 biggest banana companies in the world. Apple Banana, Google Banana, Amazon Banana, Microsoft Banana, all of them at the same time.
So if Tesla Banana crashes,
You barely feel it, because you also own Apple Banana and Google Banana and 498 other banana companies.
Okay, but if I own every banana, do I even make real bananas?
I was waiting for that question. Let's say you invest 5,000 bananas. 2 scenarios. Ready? Ready. Scenario 1. You buy Tesla Banana stock. Best case, Tesla Banana has a great year, you make 40%. You have 7,000 bananas. Worst case, the CEO tweets something weird at 3 a.m., stock drops 60%. You have 2,000 bananas. He does tweet at 3 a.m. a lot. Scenario 2. Banana 500 Index Fund. Average return over the last 30 years? 10.5% per year. Every year. Boring, consistent, reliable. Banana 500 Index Fund. 5,000 bananas? 10 years? 13,650 bananas. So, Banana 5,000 bananas? 20 years? Banana 500 Index Fund. 5,000 bananas? 20 years? 37,500 bananas. Banana 500 Index Fund. 5,000 bananas? 30 years? 102,000 bananas.
from just 5,000 bananas?
You didn't pick the right banana stock. You didn't watch banana charts at midnight. You didn't stress about anyone's tweets. You just waited.
That's it?
That's it. This is called banana compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the banana world. The bananas make bananas. Then those bananas make more bananas. Yes! In the last video, we covered compound interest. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it. Link in description. You are a good learner, Browney. Why does nobody teach this in banana school? Yeah, that's the right question. Okay, I get it. But the Banana 500 takes 30 years. I want bananas now. My coworker made 8,000 bananas in a week. How many weeks has your coworker been trading bananas? Like 2 months? Ask him again in 2 years. What? 90% of professional banana fund managers, monkeys with Harvard degrees, expensive suits, Bloomberg banana terminals, 90% of them cannot beat the Banana 500 over 10 years. The boring Plantation still wins. So my coworker thinks he's smarter than Harvard monkeys? Your coworker had 2 good weeks. That's not skill. That's a banana peel landing the right way twice.
Look, nobody gets excited about the Banana 500. There's no story, no drama, no I turned 500 bananas into 50,000 bananas overnight. It's boring. That's literally why it works. Browney looks at his phone. Tesla banana notification still sitting there. So, what do I do with my 5,000 bananas? Open a Banana 500 index fund account. Put the bananas in, then go live your life and stop checking banana prices at midnight. That's genuinely the best banana financial advice I've ever gotten. I know. It's also the most boring. Okay, so here's what I learned today. 1 banana company can destroy you. 500 banana companies protect you. Time is the actual cheat code, and my coworker is probably going to lose those 8,000 bananas. Probably already has. If this video stopped you from making a dumb banana decision, share it with that one friend who's about to YOLO their bananas into something stupid. We all have that friend. We are that friend.